tea without S-U-G-A-R. S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. Hello everyone, my name is Mr Gildea from Sing Education. In this video we're going to be learning the song I Can Drink My Tea Without Sugar, or S-U-G-A-R. Now, let's sing the song. I'm going to sing the song all the way through one more time, and I want you to find something in your house that you can pat the pulse on. Now I've got a drum here. You can maybe use a book or a box of some kind. So pause the video for a second and go and find something. Great, now you've found something, have your item in front of you ready to pat the pulse while you listen to the song one more time. I can drink my tea without sugar, sugar. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. Great, now put that down, put your item down for a moment, and let's learn the song line by line. My turn, then your turn. I can drink my tea without sugar, sugar. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. Brilliant. Let's extend that. Let's do a longer line this time. My turn, then your turn. I can drink my tea without sugar, sugar. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. Well done. Let's try the whole song this time. My turn, then your turn. I can drink my tea without sugar, sugar. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. Brilliant. Let's sing the song all the way through this time. I'm going to play the piano. I want to hear your singing voices. I can drink my tea without sugar, sugar. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. Let's try that one more time. I'm not going to sing this time. I want to hear all of your singing voices. Are you ready? On your own? Brilliant. Well done. Now, let's have a little bit of a challenge this time. Every time you get to the phrase S-U-G-A-R, you're going to clap your hands along with the pattern of the words, like this. S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. Only on the bit where we split the letters up like that. Let's have a go. Ready? I can drink my tea without sugar, sugar. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. S-U-G-A-R, S-U-G-A-R. I can drink my tea without S-U-G-A-R. Brilliant. Well done. Now this time, a little extra challenge on top of that. Let's try doing the S-U-G-A-R bit, both clapping and in our thinking voices where we sing inside our heads. Let's try that. Thinking voices and clapping on S.U.G.A.R. I can drink my tea without sugar, sugar. I can drink my tea without. I can drink my tea without. Did you manage that? If you found that a bit hard, try that again and rewind the video. Now, little extra challenge for the end of the video now. Let's change the word sugar to something different. Now let's think of something else we put in tea. Water. Fantastic. Now, you can't make tea without water. So this time let's sing, I can't drink my tea without water. I can't drink my tea, because you can't drink your tea without any water in it. Now, let's try that. So instead of sugar, we're going to sing water. And to see how it's a little bit trickier when we separate out the letters of water. It's a little bit trickier than sugar. Have a listen. I can't drink my tea without water, water. I can't drink my tea without W-A-T-E-R, W-A-T-E-R, W-A-T-E-R. I can't drink my tea without W-A-T-E-R. Do you see as well? It was much harder to try and clap the words along there, the letters along. Brilliant. Well done. If you want to have a go at any more of the steps in that video, just rewind the video, have a go, keep singing at home. Well done. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.